In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School 5 virtual learning system. This is grade 2, third term, and this is mathematics class. Today, we will do page 165 and 166 and table of 10. And this is video number 49. So let us start. This is a worksheet and this is the practice of table multiplication question. 2 multiply 3 means 2 threes are. So you can read table of 2 3 times or table of 3 2 times. So I read table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Which means 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So write 6 here. Again 6 multiply 2. 6 is the answer of 2 multiply 3. And now you multiply this answer with 2. 6 multiply 2. So here again read the table of 2 6 times. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. Or read table of 6 2 times. 6 1 are 6, 6 twos are 12. In both way, the answer will be 12. Okay. And now again, third time you multiply this answer with 4. 12 multiply 4. So read table of 4 12 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 4 elevens are 44, and 4 twelves are 48. Write the answer in this circle. Number 2, 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Write 4 here. Again, 4 ones are 4. Again, multiply 4 with 1. 4 ones are 4. Now, answer is 4, and now we multiply this answer with 3. 4 multiply 3. Read up 4 3 times. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 12. 4 threes are, sorry, 4 twos are 8. And 4 threes are 12. Write 12 here. Question number 3. 3 multiply 3. Read table of 3 3 times. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Now multiply 9 with 4. So you can read table of 9 or you can read table of 4. I read table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. And 4 nines are 36. So 9 fours are 36 or 4 nines are 36. And now multiply 36 with 1. So 36 multiply 1, 36. Remember this one. When we multiply any number with 1, so answer remain same. No change in the answer. And for example, we multiply 10 with 1, so 10 ones are 10. We multiply 100 with 1, 100 multiply 1, answer is 100. 20 multiply 1, answer is 20. So 1 makes no change when we multiply 1 with any number. Number 4, 5 multiply 1, 5. And now we multiply this answer with 9. So now 5 multiply 9. Read table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 45, 9s are 45. So what is the answer of 45? 5 nines are 45 and 9 fives are 45. Now multiply this answer with 1, mean 45 multiply 1. So what is the answer? 45. Number 5, 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2, 4. And 4 multiply 2, 8. Read table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. And 8 multiply 5. What is the answer? Read table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 35, 5 eights are 40. Okay. Now add all the numbers in the circles. Look, I mean the final answer. Add the all final answer. The first one is 48. Write 48 here. Number 2, 12. Write 12 here. 36. Number 3 answer is 36 right here. Number 4, 45. Write 45 here. And number 5, 40. Write 40 here. And what will you do now? Add all these one. So you can add like this. Look this one. Write 48 plus 2. 48 plus 12. Add first this one. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 will go add to into next value. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 60. This is the answer of first two. Now add in this answer the third value, that is a 30. So third answer, that is 36. 6 plus 0, 6, and 6 plus 3, 9. 96. 96 is answer of 3 numbers. Now add number 4 plus 44, 6 plus 5, 11, and 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So 141. And now add 40, the last answer, which is given in the circle, in 141. 1 plus 0, 1, 4 plus 4, 8, and 1 comes down as it is. So what is the total of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers? And that is 181. And write 181 here. Okay. So our answer is 181. This is the page number 166, and also this is the worksheet, and this is the MCQs, multiple choice question. Multiple choice question is that a statement is given, and under the statement 3 or 4 options are also given, and we choose the one who is the correct answer. Okay. So first of all, we read the statement. Number A, what is the next number in the sequence 11, 13, 15? And then space. So look this one, 11, 13, 15. First of all, I tell you that these 11, 13, 15, these are odd numbers. And second thing, you can guess that 11, 13. So increment of 2, 11, 13. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15, and 15 plus 2, and after 15, 16, 17. So next number is 17. So you circle 17. It means B option is correct, and you can tick or you can circle this one. B part, a pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. One part is eaten. What fraction of the pizza is left? So it's mean if you cut pizza into 4 equal parts, it means one part is equal to 1 over 4, the second is equal to 1 over 4, third is also 1 over 4, and fourth uh, also 1 over 4. Mean every part of the pizza is equal to 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 4. Because we add, if we add again 1 over 4, it is equal to 1. Okay, so it's mean if one pizza, one part of is eaten, then what fraction of pizza is left? So 1 over 4 is eaten, so it's mean 3 over 4 is left, because if we add 1 over 4 in plus 3 over 4, our answer is 1. So if we eat 1 over 4 pizza, so 3 over 4 part of the pizza left. So you circle 3 over 4. There are dash days in 4 weeks: 21 days, 23 days, 28 days, 35 days. First of all, we know that in 1 week, how many days? 7 days. In 1 week, 7 days. So in 4 weeks, how many days? Just multiply 7 with 4. It's mean the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So in 4 weeks, how many days? 28. So circle the 28. A D part, a rope 2 meter 50 centimeter long is cut into 2 equal parts. The length of each rope will be 1 meter 5 centimeter. B part 1 meter 50 centimeter. C part 1 meter 25 centimeter, and D 1 meter. So for example, I say a rope is 4 meter long and you cut into 2 equal parts, just 4 divided 2. So here also 2 meter 50 centimeter divided 2. So what is the half of 2? 1. Write 1 here. And what is the half of the 50? 25. So it's mean our answer is 1 meter 25 centimeter. It's mean 2 meter. This is the division. If with the help of division you can do this one. E part. If Adil sleeps for 8 hours every day, he is awake for dash hours. If Adil sleeps for 8 hours every day, he is awake for dash hours. So Adil sleeps how many days? 8 hours daily. So I know in one day how many days, how many hours? 24. So just 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 is equal. What's the answer of 16. So it's mean he awakes 16 hours. If he sleeps 8 hours, so awake 16 hours. F part. What is the value of 5 in the number 605? We check the value from the right side of the number, and in the numbers 5 is the first number from the right side. So this its value is 5. Okay. G part, what number is 100 less than 159? Mean less than, it's mean 159 minus 100. So what is our answer? 59. And the last part, H, how many vertices does a cube have? We have also done this one. So in a cube has how many vertices? 8. What is our answer? 8. So in this way, also questions come in your paper and you can choose your correct answer. Table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Again, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. This is a very, very easy table. Every student write like this one and also read this one. And now your homework to page 165 and 166 in your book, and table of 10 write in your notebook. Okay, boys. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Stay at home. Allah Hafiz.